Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just weeding this and getting my borders ready, cut back for winter. I'll be showing you how I go about digging up and getting rid of my dandelion weeds. I'll find some for you, some decent ones. There's one there. You can see it just underneath this, just there. First of all, you want to try and get as deep as you can with them. So if you leave any roots in, they do tend to regrow. So you hear it, you get like a crunch when you do it. And shake this off, like so. So yeah. I got a collegiate out with that and put that up, so I've got a free plant there, but you see there, that broke off there, so probably a few inches there. If I can't get it, if I can't get that out, it will grow back that little bit, the roots. It's amazing how much it will grow back. See, that's the difference, you see. Get it in a minute. There you go. You think that, oh, it's only a couple of inches, but look at that. That goes on there, probably 6 inches extra length. So yeah, you want to try and get as much as you can with dandelions. Just check you, see if you can find another one just to show you. But if you've got good soil, it's normally not too bad. It's when your soil is compacted that it can be hard to dig them up. But yeah, I think that's about it for dandelions. None around here. Sometimes you can't see for looking. Right, here we go. We've got quite a few here. Just enlarge a little bit, as you can see there. Just turn this around if I can. That's the one. But yeah, you want to just try and get them when they're smaller, because when they're this size, they're a lot more difficult to dig up. That's like 12 inches nearly. As you can see, these with this side, just turn that around there. Gotcha. This soil's a lot hard. That's a crunch. It has been dug a few times, but as you can see, when they're that size, it's a lot easier to get all the roots out and stop them coming back. You want to basically stop them setting seed, stop them going to flower and setting seed, which I haven't done this year, so that's why I've got a lot of extra ones. So if you've got any questions regarding weeding, anything like that, regarding dandelions, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, everybody please subscribe. And remember everybody, happy sowing, happy growing. Please watch my videos, and thank you for watching. Good luck. Bye.